Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Katie. Today I wanted to do a makeup look inspired by Lil Nas X Holiday. I'm absolutely obsessed with the song and the music video is everything. Not only is it really cool and the lyrics are very catchy and stuff, but in the music video you can just tell he's really happy with what he's doing, which makes me happy. But it's just like a good energy music video. He's just so happy talking about the holiday. But yeah, I love Lil Nas X and his new single Holiday. Before we get started, please remember to like, subscribe, and share. I'd really appreciate it. I recently reached my goal of 120 subscribers, so I'm very happy and super excited. I also have some great videos planned for this month of December, so yeah, I hope you stick around. I already did the base of my makeup, which is just BB cream and concealer, and I did my eyebrows, and now I want to start on the eye. I have two eyes. To do this look, you really need to have face paint. I've tried this. I tried doing it with eyeshadow. It was a mess, did not work. So, I mean, you can try to do it with eyeshadow and just follow along with me, but I think water activated face paint is the way to go. So just any type of face paint will do, as long as it's toxic free, which all face paint should be. It's safe to put on your eyes. So I am going to take my wet brush. You want to get your white paint a creamy consistency, not watery, because then it's just going to get everywhere. Yeah, you want to make it kind of like a cream. So you're just going to take the white face paint and put it all over your lid. And the shape that I want it to look like in the end is kind of like that pointy Santa Claus hair he has. So that is what I'm going for. See kids, you don't want your face paint to be like mine. I said don't make it watery, and I made mine super watery. Alright, I'm gonna do this on this side and I'll be right back. So once you're done making this semi-circle shape thing, you want to set the white face paint with white eyeshadow or powder, anything to set it. Just make sure it's white. Now I'm going to take a silver color right here, and I am going to make it in that triangle shape. This silver is way too white, so I'm gonna go in with a grayish brown sparkle. Just pretend it's just gray. That's what I'm going for, is gray. All right, when you're making this shape, you want to make sure you do it with your eyes open, because you want it to be a triangle. And if you close your eyes and make the triangle, when you have your eyes open, it's not gonna look like a triangle. I'm just starting off softly. All right, so that's a grayish silver sparkle. I just mixed the first shade I used, which was kind of a brown, and put a little bit of sparkly blue on top, and it looks silver, and I'm happy with that. Now we are going to line our waterline, both top and bottom. I want to be one of his L's, so I'm trying my best, and I think it's working out. I think he would hire me to help him build the toys. Add just white eyeshadow to the bottom. Okay, so I'm gonna do mascara and contour my cheeks and my bones, my cheeks and my nose, and then I'll be back to do the lips on camera. Oh, and the highlight, which is what's gonna make this There we go. Almost ready. How do you like? I like it so far. I feel like I look very cute, very cold. Let's do the lip first because the highlight is what's gonna make this, like I said. So I'm gonna save the best till the end. I'm gonna take a very bright pink and only put it in the center of my mouth to make it look like, I don't know, I just got melted from being frozen. Yeah, or I'm partially frozen. I'm not sure. I'm gonna take a brush and blend this liner a little bit. I'm just like moving it inside the lip towards the center of the lip, just to soften the line a bit. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of clear lip gloss. Really drive home the icy look. I think I'm gonna accentuate my little freckles or moles or beauty marks, whatever you want to call it, just so that my face doesn't look so plain. I just go over like any discoloration I have or marks. So last but not least, oh my god, that looks so cool. Rate my wave hand scale from a 1 to 10. I'm gonna take 2 different bright highlighters and just pile them onto each other. I'm gonna use a creamy one first to help the powder one stick when I put it on. And y'all know how much I love highlighters, so I'm gonna make sure I put on plenty so I look like a futuristic frozen elf. That's soft, that's delicate, and now put on more. Look at that. All right, everyone, this is the finished look and I love it. I think it looks super cute and it's my take on being in Lil Nas X in his world where he's Santa. Yeah, comment down below, let me know how you think I did, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. That's all for this week's video, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.